Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today I'm bringing you exterior and interior overview and hill climb video of a 2018 Pagani Zonda Barchetta from the 2018 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Pagani will make just 3 Zonda Barchettas, this being the HP or Horacio Pagani edition, his personal car. They're all sold out, despite costing $15 million each. The all-carbon, completely roofless Barchettas weigh just 1250 kilograms and feature a rear-mounted AMG 6-litre bi-turbo V12, which produces 789 brake horsepower and 811 pounds-feet of torque. It's essentially the same as that found in the Huayra BC. To create a more engaging driving experience, the cars are of course rear-wheel drive only, manual, and there's even a mechanical locking differential. At the front, the carbon weave lines up perfectly, as is now a standard at Pagani. At the corners are lightweight forged aluminium wheels, 20 inches at the front and 21 at the rear, with the rear wheels covered by extended carbon fibre fairings. The wheels also have different inlay colours on each side. At the rear, we find that long, thin wing that is now an iconic symbol of special run Pagani Zondas. Below is an equally impressive diffuser with the characteristic quad titanium exhaust outlet above. Now moving inside, we find a minimalistic driver-focused space with the bare teak wood and aluminium steering wheel and 6-speed manual gear shifter with the engine start-stop button on top. Behind, the Barchetta 1 of 3 plaque sits between the seats and acts as a reminder of how rare this model is. Now let's see the Barchetta hit the Festival of Speed hill climb. So what do you think about this 1 of 3 Pagani Zonda Barchetta HP? Let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe for all the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.